Okay, here three vectors are there, a bar, b bar and c bar, and they are unit vectors here. They are unit vectors such that a bar plus b bar plus c bar equal to the null vector. Find the value of a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar here. Okay, here a bar, the vector b bar and the vector c bar are unit vectors here. They are unit vectors here. Therefore, we can write here modulus of a bar is equal to 1 here, modulus of b bar is equal to 1, and modulus of c bar is equal to 1 here. Okay, they are unit vectors here. And also they given here a bar plus b bar, a bar plus b bar plus c bar here, a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to the null vector here. They are already given here. Then taking modulus and squaring on both sides here, modulus of a bar plus b bar plus c bar whole square is equal to modulus of 0 bar, it's a square here. Taking a modulus here and squaring on both sides here. Then you know the algebra formula, a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into bracket ab plus bc plus ca. So just take that formula here. These are vectors here. Yes, we can write here modulus of a bar square here, then plus here modulus of b bar square plus as a modulus of c bar square, then plus 2 into bracket a bar dot of b bar plus here b bar dot of c bar, then plus c bar dot of a bar, that is equal to, this is a null vector here. So modulus of null vector is 0 only. So 0 square is a 0 here. Okay. So you are using a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca formula. These are vectors here. So you can write like this here. And these are unit vectors here. Modulus of a bar is 1. Modulus of b bar is 1. Modulus of c bar is 1. Therefore it is a 1 square here plus 1 square plus 1 square 2 into bracket a bar dot of b bar plus b bar dot of c bar plus c bar dot of a bar, that is equal to 0. Here 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1 here, 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 becomes 3 here. 3 plus 2 into bracket a bar dot of b bar plus b bar dot of c bar plus c bar dot of a bar, that is equal to 0. Take the 3 right hand side here, it becomes plus 3. Yes, 2 into bracket a bar dot of b bar plus b bar dot of c bar plus c bar dot of a bar, that is equal to minus of 3. Take it to right hand side here. Hence a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot of c bar plus c bar dot of a bar is equal to minus of 3 divided by 2. Okay. So therefore its value is minus 3 divided by 2. If the vertices of ABC of a triangle are 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2 respectively, then find the angle ABC here. Okay. So there is a triangle here. Okay. So take here A, this front is B and this is here. So just you find your BA as well as the BC here. Then you find the angle here, this one. Take this angle as a theta here. Find angle ABC means you find this angle here. Okay. So therefore take your solution. Position vectors of the points A comma B comma C R. Okay. In this case, the vector OA is the position vector of the point A. So you can write here I plus 2z plus 3k. Position vector of the point B, OB, the vector OB is equal to minus I plus 0z plus 0k. And the position vector of the point C here. So C bar is 0I plus z plus 2k. Okay, plus 2k. First you find here this vector BA. Therefore, the vector BA is equal to OA minus of the vector OB here. First take here position vector of the point A here, OA minus, then write position vector of the point B here, OA minus OB. Here the vector OA is I plus 2z plus 3k minus of the vector OB is a minus I plus 0z plus 0k. Take a minus inside here. Minus into minus becomes a plus here, and these two are zeros here. Hence, this can be written as I plus I becomes 2I. 2z minus 0z gives plus 2z only. 3k minus 0k is plus 3k. Plus 3k. This is vector B here. Need to find the vector BC. So the vector BC is equal to OC minus of OB here. Okay. Here the vector OC is this one here. So 0I plus Z plus 2k minus of the vector OB is this here. So minus I plus 0z plus 0k. Then subtract each other. 0I minus of minus become plus I. 0I plus I becomes 1I. J minus 0j gives a plus z. 2k minus 0k gives a plus 2k. Plus 2k. Okay. This is a vector BC here. Okay. Then find its dot product here. So BA dot of the vector BC here. Okay. So BA dot BC using this formula here. A bar dot B bar. So BA dot of BC 2 into 1 here. So this equal to 2 into 1 plus then 2 into again 1 here. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. So right here 3 into 2 here. That is equal to 2 ones are 2 plus again 2 ones are 2 here plus 3 twos are 6. Then 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 6 becomes 10 here. So BA dot BC is 10. Then find here modulus of BA. Modulus of the vector BA is equal to root of. So 2 square. So write here 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square here. Then root of 2 squares of 4. Again 2 squares of 4 here and 3 squares of 9 up. Then root of 4 plus 4, 8 plus 9, 17, root of 17. Then modulus of BC. So modulus of the vector BC is equal to root of so 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square here. Hence root of 1 square is 1 here. Again 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. It gives the root of 8 plus 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1 becomes 6 here. Therefore, we take the angle ABC is a theta. Okay. Let angle ABC is equal to theta. So we know that using this formula cos of theta a bar dot b bar divided by modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar. Hence cos of theta is equal to BA dot BC. BA dot of the vector BC divided by modulus of BA into modulus of BC. Okay, you are using this formula cos of theta. Okay, then the BA dot BC, its value is 10 here. So write here 10 in the numerator. You write here 10 divided by modulus of B is root 17 here. Root of 17 and the modulus of BC is 6 here. Root of 6 here. So 17 into 6 here. So 102. Therefore 10 divided by square root of 102. Okay. Then take the cos right hand side here. Yes, theta is equal to cos inverse of 10 divided by root of 102. So this is the required angle here. Okay, angle ABC means this angle is cos inverse 10 divided by root 102 here. This is the answer. Okay, here show that the points A, B and C are collinear. Okay, so therefore take your solution. A into negative 1, 2 and 7 here. The point B 2, 6, 3 and the point C here 3, 10 minus 1 or given points here. These are given points. It's a position vectors are. It's a position vectors or OA. The vector OA is equal to I plus 2j plus 7k and position vector of the point B here. OB is equal to 2I plus 6j plus 3k and the position vector of the point C here. So 3I plus 10j minus of k. Then you find here the vector AB here. The vector AB is equal to OB minus of the vector OA. OB minus OA. For take the position vector of the point B minus then write a position vector of the point A. OB minus OA. So the vector OB is 2I plus 6j plus 3k minus of the vector OA is I plus 2j plus 7k. Therefore, this is equal to, take a minus inside the bracket here. 2I minus I becomes 1I. 6j minus 2j is 4j plus 4j. 3k minus of 7k gives a minus of 4k. Minus 4k. Then find the vector BC here. Here the vector BC is equal to OC minus of the vector OB here. But take a position vector of the point C minus then write a position vector of the point B here, OB. OC is this vector here. 3I plus 10j minus k here, minus of OB is this vector. So 2I plus 6j plus 3k. So 3I minus 2I gives 1I here. So write here I. 10j minus 6j gives plus 4j here. Minus k minus 3k gives minus of 4k. Okay, minus 4k. Next to find the vector CA. So first write a position vector of the point A minus then write a position vector of the point C. The vector OA is this one here. So I plus 2j plus 7k minus of the vector OC is this one here. So 3I plus 10j minus of k, that is equal to, so I minus 3I, it is minus 2I. 2j minus 10j is minus of 8j. 7k minus of minus becomes a plus here. 7k plus k becomes 8k plus 8k plus 8k. Then we find the modulus of AB here. Therefore, modulus of AB is equal to root of so AB is this vector here. Its modulus is 1 square plus 4 square plus minus of 4 square here. Therefore, root of 1 plus 4 square is 16 here. Again, 4 square is 16 here. Therefore, root of 16 plus 16, 32 plus 1 becomes 33. Root of 33. Then modulus of BC. Modulus of the vector BC is equal to root of, again same here. So 1 square plus 4 square here plus minus 4 square. It gives the root of 1 plus 16 plus 16 is the root of 33. Then the modulus of CA. Modulus of the vector CA is equal to. Just observe here. From these three terms you can take two common factor. 2 is the common here. So minus of I minus 4j plus 4k can take two common factors. So write 2 as it is outside here. Then the root of here. So minus 1 square minus 1 square plus minus 4 square here minus 4 square plus and this 4 square. So write here 4 square in the square root only. So 2 into root of so minus 1 square is 1 here. minus 4 square is 16 and 4 square is 16 here. Hence it gives the 2 root of 33. 2 root 33. Therefore, AB is root 33. BC is also root 38. So its sum gives therefore modulus of AB plus modulus of BCN is equal to root of 33 plus root of 33. Root 33 plus root 33 gives 2 root of 33. But 2 root 33 is a modulus of CA. Yes, this equal to modulus of the vector C. So AB plus BC is equal to CA. Okay, AB plus BC. Take this part as a B and C. Okay, AB modulus of AB is this one here. Modulus of BC is this one. Modulus of AC is this one here. So AB plus BC is equal to AC. Yes, we can write here the points are collinear. The last conclusion is therefore points A, B, C are collinear. So this is the conclusion. Okay, modulus of AB plus modulus of BC is equal to modulus of CA. Hence the points are collinear.